Are you tired of learning the same grammatical rules and still whenever you have to speak, you don't feel confident to speak in English and you start speaking in Hindi or in Punjabi or maybe in any of your local languages because you're having that hesitation to speak in English? Well, if you're facing this problem, then trust me, you've landed to the right video because I have the perfect solution to this problem. Hi everyone, my name is Sanjana Arora and I'm a certified English language trainer. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you some very simple steps which can help you in becoming confident and in improving your fluency over the English language. So I know that what happens most of the times is that we know the words, the English exists in our mind, but when we are speaking, it becomes all abracadabra, zoomlakaloo. Okay, and it makes no sense at all, right? And the words are just not coming out from the mouth. And if you're facing this thing, then trust me, you're not alone. There are so many people who are sailing in the same boat, but do you know what? There is a way out to come out of this problem, and for that there are some very simple things that you need to follow. I know they are going to be tough initially, but it is going to help you enormously in becoming fluent in speaking in English language. So the first thing that you need to do is start speaking in English. Well, I know this might sound weird that you are having the problem that you are unable to speak in English, and the solution that I'm giving is that you should speak in English. But do you know what? Until and unless you will not start speaking in English, no matter how long it has been that you have been learning the subject, you will never ever be able to converse in it. In beginning, you're going to fumble, you're going to forget the words, you're going to make grammatical mistakes. But once you start speaking, it'll all eventually come into place and it will all sort out. And to be able to speak in English, what you initially need to do is start speaking English in your brain. Once your brain has learned to speak in English, your mouth will automatically start speaking correct English with practice and with time. But first, the language needs to come to your brain and then it is going to come out of your mouth. So this is the first step that you need to follow. Now I know that if we are not very good at speaking in English, then we are going to always have that hesitation that if I'll be speaking, especially in front of those friends who are already good at it, then we will feel bad, shy, embarrassed, humiliated. I know all these feelings will come no matter how much I say that don't think about it. You will think about it because that's the part of human nature. So in that case, what you can do is, instead of talking to your friends in that language when initially you're very uncomfortable, start speaking to yourself in the mirror or start recording yourself the way I am recording myself right now. So start recording yourself, start posting your video somewhere if you want to, and if you don't want to, then keep them, listen to your videos and you'll see what is the problem that you're actually facing. And most of the times you'll see the problem is not going to be your words, but it is going to be the fluency. Now right now you can see I'm not using any high vocabulary words, but my English is as natural as it can be because it is in a fluency. So this is what you need to develop, and for that you just need to start speaking. So when you will start to speak, you will not be speaking at this pace naturally. You will be speaking at a very slow pace, like this is what I think, right? So this will be the pace that you need to follow initially, and you will see that with time you will develop a speed and your flow is going to become really fluent. So this is the first thing that you need to do. The second advice that I have for you is to listen to English songs. I know that you'll say that initially you are unable to catch the lyrics of the song, but for that you may, number one, start listening to the songs which are a bit easier. I've already made a video on that. I'm linking it in the description box below, so you can see which are the song recommendations that you can follow initially. And the second thing is that keep the lyrics with you when you're listening it for the first 2 to 3 times and try to sing along the lyrics as and when the song plays. So with this, what is actually going to happen is that you will start speaking at the pace in which the song is being played. So if you are able to speak English at a pace at which song is being played, that means that you have already won the battle. You are speaking English. Even if it is a memorized English, it does not matter, because your mouth is training itself to be able to speak in English. And trust me, this is going to help you humongously, and you will not even realize that how much songs can actually help you in improving language. And I have told this in my videos before as well, that I learned Punjabi purely by listening to Punjabi music, by singing Punjabi songs, and by vibing on Punjabi songs. So if I can learn Punjabi in that manner, then you can definitely learn English, French, or any other language for that matter by following this method. The next advice that I would like to give you is that there are many free apps which exist, which can give you a platform with the help of which you can connect with the person who is willing to improve his or her English as well. So in this way, you will not feel hesitant when you're speaking to the other person, because the other person is also going to be at the same level. Well, I know I don't have so many subscribers on this page, but if any one of you who is watching this video is interested in finding a speaking partner, please leave a comment below, and then you all can coordinate and you all can become each other's speaking partners. And if you face any kind of difficulties in trying to improve your English language, then you can always ask me in the comment section below. And also there are many apps. For example, there is Duolingo, then there is Practice English, and there are n number of apps on which you can actually practice speaking in English. So use those platforms very wisely and make the full use of it. And after that, the next advice that I'm having is something that I've already mentioned in the first step, but this is more descriptive and elaborated and more specific, to be honest. In this, what I want you to do is I want you to record yourself speaking in English for at least 2 minutes on a stretch, and that can be on any random topic. If you want to talk about a person who is running in your brain all the time, like somebody who you're crushing on, then you have to speak about that person for 2 minutes continuously, and then you have to re-watch your video and see if you are speaking at a flow, if you are able to speak for 2 minutes, and if your facial expressions are matching what you are speaking. Because you know what, facial expressions make all the difference in this world. Because if we are able to converse with our face, with our expressions, then our conversation altogether becomes more interesting and more interactive. So keep your facial expressions also in place, and this is also going to make your conversation very effective. And then apart from that, what I want to say is just don't be scared. Yeah, this is the most important thing. Don't be scared of making mistakes, because whenever we are trying something new, we all make mistakes. I am also making videos. I'm not an expert in it, and I know that the quality that I'm making might not be the most perfect one. I would be having problems with my thumbnails, with my SEO, and a lot more things. But that doesn't mean that I'll stop making the videos. I'll keep on trying to improve in every single video, and I will keep on making them. So the way I am trying to improve something, in the same way you should work on improving what you want to actually work on. And if English is your goal right now, then just be focused. Don't be scared. Don't care about what other people will think. They might criticize you right now, they might say that you're not good at it, but at the end of the time, if you'll practice, you will become perfect, you will improve yourself, and you will see the growth, and you will be the one who will improve, and not the ones who were criticizing you. So don't listen to the people who are speaking negatively. Just focus on your inner self and feel good from within, and then just get on this journey. Because you know what, English is extremely important at the present time. Even though I love Hindi, I love my local languages, but English has become a global language, and we cannot survive without it. If we want to be in any good jobs, or even if we want to run our own business, we need English in order to be able to converse with a wider range of people. So just get on the track, feel confident, and yes, if you like my content, then please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing speaking in English, and if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. See you next time. Bye bye.